In this mindfulness body scan, the intent is to send words of loving kindness to our body and deepen acceptance and awareness of the body as a shared part of humanity. Welcome. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down and be still. Close your eyes and place your attention on your breath. Breathe slowly, yet fully in and out through the nose. With the next 3 slow cycles of breath, allow each exhale to be just as long as each breath in, maybe even longer. Feel the energy settle within and around your seat, or feel it settle towards your back if you're lying down. Then, with open curiosity, ask your body what is present, right here, right now, as if you were opening yourself to listening to your body. Ask if there's a physical sensation that needs your attention. And if there is, you are welcome to zero in on that sensation, that area or body part, and let that be the sole focus of this meditation. Otherwise, we will begin by bringing awareness to your head and neck. Expand your attention onto your face, your eyes, your nose, mouth, and ears. See if you notice a particular sensation in these areas of your body, and if not, that's okay. If there is, take note of any thoughts or emotions that connect to this sensation. Notice what is present with you now as you contemplate your head, face, and neck. Then, with this area of your body in mind, say silently to yourself, "May this part of my body be safe, well, and free from pain." As you say these words, imagine energy flowing from your heart to your head. A warm, healing, and loving energy. Then say silently to yourself, "May this part of my body, my head, face, and neck have everything it needs to be safe and well." Again, as you say these words, feel a kind, loving energy move from your heart toward your head, and then continue with the following wish. May I accept this body part with deep gratitude, regardless of how it feels right now. As you say these words, feel them too. Feel a deep, heartfelt gratitude for your head, your face, and all the benefits you receive from your functioning eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and throat. Then continue with this final wish. May I extend the same loving kindness to this body part as I do to those I love the most. Who do you care for most in your life? Who is the recipient of your unconditional love? Sense this type of love. Note how it feels in your body and extend that love to your head, neck, and face. Sense that this area of your body has felt and received your wishes. Sense what it feels like in your head and neck to have received that loving kindness. Now drop your awareness from your head, face, and neck down onto your shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. Send your arms and hands these same 4 wishes. May my shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, and hands be safe, well, and free from pain. As you say these words, feel a loving and kind energy traveling from your heart, through your shoulders, past your elbows, and all the way down into your fingertips. Then continue with the following wish. May this area of my body have everything it needs to be safe and well. May this part of my body have exercise, good food, clean water, and may it also receive this loving and kind energy. May I accept this part of my body, my arms, my hands and fingers, with deep gratitude, regardless of how it feels right now. And as you say these words, think of all the ways in which your fingers, thumbs, hands, wrists, lower and upper arms, and shoulders benefit you daily. Reflect upon the functioning of these body parts with love and awe, and then send more love with this final wish. May I give the same loving kindness to these body parts as I do to those I love the most. Understand that all the tiny molecules and parts that make up you, your arms, your hands, are the same as those that have built the one you love the most. So extend your greatest love equally to your own shoulders, arms, and hands. Then shift your awareness to your hips, your thighs, your lower legs and feet, your entire lower body. Sense what is present here and now in your lower body. Notice if you are connecting any particular thoughts or emotions to what it is you notice. There is no need to change anything, just witness it all with open curiosity. Now send the lower body your wishes. May this part of my body be safe and well and healthy. And as you say these words, feel a loving, warm, and healing energy moving downward from your heart all the way to the tips of your toes. May this part of my body have everything it needs to be safe and well. As you continue to send energy from your heart to your lower body, wish for healthy movement, healthy food, and abundant, safe water. May I accept my hips, thighs, lower legs, and feet with deep gratitude, regardless of how any part of my lower body feels right now. Recall the functioning of your lower body, the benefits and opportunities your legs and feet have given you, and as you do, feel deep gratitude expanding in your heart. May I give the same loving kindness to my lower body as I do to those I love the most. Notice the infinite source of love, kindness, and warmth that is present in your heart right now. Extend that sensation to your lower body. Recognize that the more love you give away, the more love you will have to give. And then bring your awareness back to your torso. Notice your rib cage, the protector of your heart and your lungs. Notice and soften your belly. Notice your spine as you sit up a little taller. As you send this first wish to your torso, feel it expand outwardly in every direction from your heart. May this part of my body be safe, healthy, and well. Feel love and light and heat making its way from the center of your heart towards your chest, your back, and your sides. Feel this kind energy fill your entire torso with a positive, healing sensation. May this part of my body have everything it needs to be safe and well. What does your heart, your lungs, and your belly need? Imagine sending those things. See and feel those things being received. May I accept this body part with deep gratitude, regardless of how it feels right now. Notice the miracle of your breath, your heartbeat, and all the activity of your inner organs. Notice the miracle of your spine, your rib cage, the lower back and core from which you move and function. Look upon it all with deep, heartfelt awe, and finally, may I give the same loving kindness to this body part as I do those I love the most. In thanks, in recognition, or for no reason at all, feel your heart opening and pouring loving kindness to every corner of your torso and to every corner of your entire being, entire shape, your entire form. Remember that this loving kindness flows from an unlimited, infinite source. It flows outward, senses that your body receives your wishes, and receives this love. Softening of your shoulders with a long exhale breath. Rest in the awareness that the love we extend to ourselves is not limited, and with practice may be extended equally to all others. Continue to feel the flow of loving kindness from the center of your heart and be present with this sensation for as long as you'd like. When you are ready to close the meditation, carry this kindness as far as you can into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining us in this practice. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications to be notified every time we upload new meditations, which we do 5 to 7 times a week. I bow to the divine in you.